Hello children, here is Amandeep Verma, your accounts teacher. I hope you all are very fine. So today we are going to start our method 2 in front of you. The name of the method is, as you are seeing, super profit method. This is the second method of the goodwill chapter, as the first chapter which we have done, that is the average profit method. What is the super profit method? As you know that amount of the capital employed got different profits for different enterprises. When a similar type of the business earns profit at a certain percentage of the capital employed, it is called normal return. Like if you are a businessman, you will employ your capital in the business. Definitely you will earn some profit. That is your normal profit. Okay. But after that, if a buyer advantage lies in the excess of the normal return on capital employed, the excess of average profit over the normal profit is known as the super profit. And I think so everybody wants to earn super profit only, means above the average profit. So in front of you, the accounting treatment is there. Super profit method. Super profit. Super profit is what? What is the formula you have to learn? Average profit minus normal profit. You can write it like AP minus NP. Average profit formula already you have done in the first method. Total profit divided by number of years. Then if you want to calculate normal profit, this one, because ultimately in this formula there is a need of this value, normal profit. So how we will calculate the normal profit? We will use this formula. Normal profit is equals to capital employed multiply rate of return. After that we need to calculate capital employed also. Capital employed means the amount which you are investing in the business. So capital employed, we have two formulas. First is total assets minus outside liabilities. Second formula of the capital employed is share capital plus reserves. These two formulas are there if you want to use the capital employed. After all these steps, final answer will come when we will use this formula. What is this formula? Goodwill is equals to super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Okay, so no need to worry about that, sir. We have to learn these all formulas to calculate this. This is one of the easiest method of the goodwill chapter. Just yes, maybe in the beginning you will feel some difficulty, but after solving few questions you will definitely feel comfortable and you will be able to solve maximum question. But to solve the questions of method 2, you have to learn these 2-3 steps. Okay, now let us proceed to accounting treatment of this method, super profit method. So I hope that you have book in front of you. Every time whenever you are going to start with accountancy online video on the YouTube channel, every time before starting that must open your book at this chapter. Usually the chapter is the goodwill which is going on at present, and the page number is 3.32. because statement I will read from book only. As you know that it is the practical subject, that's why I need this paper, I need this pen. Okay, otherwise in theoretical subject the way is little bit different, but in practical so we can use this way. It is very effective for you. So question number 17. I'm going to read the statement from the book. Everybody please see page number 3.32, question number 17. The capital of the firm of Anuj and Binu is 10 lakh and the market rate of interest is 15%. Annual salary to the partner is 60,000 each. The profit for the last 3 years were 3 lakh, 3 lakh 60 and 4 lakh 20. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued on the basis of 2 years purchase. Please underline 2 years purchase of the last 3 years average super profit. Calculate the goodwill of the firm. Okay, so now as you are seeing in the statement, that firstly what is given to you, capital is given to you. Okay, what I have written first, super profit. Okay, super profit formula, you know, the page which was there in front of you, firstly formula was what? AP minus NP. Okay, this was the formula of the super profit. So super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit you can calculate like first method. See, this average profit is equals to, see in the statement also side by side. In the statement, what is the average profit? Profits of the 3 years are given. 3 lakh, 3 lakh 60, 4 lakh 20 divided by 3 number of years. You can have what? Average profit 3 lakh 60. But if in the question expense is given, that is the salary, as per the rule we have to deduct the expense from the average profit so that we can have the exact profits. Okay, so whenever salary is given, must deduct it from the average profits and you will get the exact average profit. This value you will put here, 2,40,000. This is your average profit now. Now minus normal profit. How to calculate normal profit? Again, you can see your previous page or you can see this. Normal profits formula is capital employed into rate of return. What is the capital employed? See in the book again side by side. First line, are you seeing first line? First line is 10 lakh. It is the capital employed. Okay, so put here value 10 lakh, multiply rate of return. Rate of return is also given in the first line. If you are seeing the statement very carefully, 15% is the rate of interest. 15%, 15 upon 100. So this will be 1,50,000. You can have the value of the normal profits. Okay, now after calculating this normal profit 1,50,000, you can put value here, and after writing these two values you can have the value of the super profit, that is what? 90,000. So in this way you have calculated the super profit. Now last but not the least, the one of the main formula to calculate goodwill. What is the way to calculate goodwill? Goodwill formula, you know well. Here I have not written. I can now write super profit into number of years purchase. Okay, like in the previous page that formula was written, but here again I have written for your convenience. Goodwill is super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit is what? 90. You have calculated. Number of years purchase, see in the book, I told you, no, underline. So third line is 2 years purchase into 2. You can have your answer. It is 1,80,000. So in this way you can calculate, or you can do the accounting treatment of the second method of the goodwill, that is what? Super profit method. Next is question number 23rd in front of you, and side by side you have to open this question in the book also. I am going to read the statement from the book for question number 23rd. A business earned an average profit of 8 lakh during the last few years. The normal rate of the profit in the similar type of business is 10%. It means this is the rate of the return. Understand? After that, the total value of the assets and liabilities of the business were 22 lakh and 5,60,000 respectively. Now in this question you are given the assets and liabilities. In the previous question which we have discussed, question number 17, in that question capital employed was already given. You can see just that previous page also on your video when you will download it. Okay, so but in this question you can calculate the capital employed. The formula, as you know, it is total assets minus outside liabilities. Next, again come to the statement first. Firstly we will complete the statement, then we will start the numerical. Calculate the value of the goodwill of the firm by super profit method. It is 23rd question. Again I am telling you, if it is valued at 2.5 years purchase of the super profit. Okay, now the statement is over. Firstly again write the formula. Super profit is equals to AP minus NP. AP means average profit, NP means normal profit. Then AP, I think given in the question, yes, it is given in the first line. It is how much? 8 lakh minus NP is not given. To calculate NP we have to calculate capital employed. Understand? Capital employed formula is what? Total assets minus outside liabilities. Assets and liabilities both are given in the question. You can calculate capital employed. It is 16 lakh 40,000. After calculating capital employed, you can calculate the normal profit. Otherwise, formula of the normal profit I told you earlier. Again, we can write here the formula. Normal profit is equals to whatever is the capital employed multiplied by rate of return. This is the formula of the normal profit. So capital employed, this one, rate of return ROR is given in the question C, question number 23, 10%, 10 upon 100. So you can have the value of the normal profit, put this value here and you can get super profits. Okay, and again the last formula is goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit, put value here 6,36,000, multiply 2.5 years of purchase, 2.5 is given 2.5, and we can have the value of the goodwill, that is 15,90,000. So this was your second method without past adjustment but super profit method. And if you have any doubts, any queries, I told you that you can send me your query directly in the WhatsApp group, or you can send me your query in the personal window of the WhatsApp also. I will try to send you the reply as soon as possible, but definitely 100% I will reply all your queries, whatever the queries will be there. These days are very crucial. We know that time is not in our hands, but still definitely you also cooperate us, cooperate your teachers, we will also cooperate you, so that there should not be any wastage of the time, because ultimately next year you are going to appear in your CBSE examination. Thank you so much.